Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kangaroo Deshayan. Today I'm going to show you how to make fig jam. These figs are hand-picked by me and they're beautiful. Figs are high in natural sugars, minerals and fiber. Keep in mind, dried figs are high in sugar. So for this recipe, we need 2.5 cups of ripe figs, trimmed and roughly chopped. Add half a cup of brown sugar. A small piece of cinnamon quill. Now caramelize for few seconds on low heat. Reduce the heat now. Add half a cup of water. Bring to the boil. Reduce heat and simmer until figs are tender. Make sure to cook over very low heat, stirring regularly for about 45 minutes or until thick and sticky. Look at the color. You can use any seasonal fruit to make jam like this. For example, strawberries, mangoes, pineapples. Don't worry about the big chunks. You can mash it with a fork once they are tender. So our jam is nearly ready. Remember to take the cinnamon quill out. So you can mash it with the spoon or fork. Figs have a lot of health benefits. Turn off the heat at this point. Our jam is ready now. Look at this. You can store in jars. It's beautiful, isn't it? Hope you enjoyed this video. Try this recipe and let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.